Arborio rice is a short grain rice and it's common for risotto. It's also very common for rice pudding, and that's what I'm going to be making for you. I love rice pudding because it's so comforting and it's super easy to make, and you can serve it warm or you can serve it cold. So I've got a pan here, a medium-sized pan. To this I'm going to add some water. We'll turn the heat on. And I'll also add some milk. Now I like the mixture of water and milk together because I don't want it to be too creamy at this stage. I really want this liquid to cook the rice first. The creaminess is going to come from the coconut milk. Okay, to this I'll add 1 cinnamon stick, and you just need a small amount of it to perfume the milk. Now for the rice, so I've got my risotto rice. You need about 220 grams. We'll pour that in. Give it a stir so it's completely coated. And at this stage, you don't want to be adding any sugars whatsoever because it will catch on the bottom. Right now, we're just cooking the rice. So this is actually going to take about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, you can see all of that milk has been absorbed by the rice, but it's not 100% cooked yet. Now I want it to be super, super creamy. So we're going to add a whole can of coconut milk. So 400 mils of coconut milk. To this, we'll add some shredded coconut for a little bit of texture. A rice pudding has to be sweet, so we can now add our sugar. Give that a really good stir to incorporate everything together, and this now needs to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, while that's cooking away, I'll also prepare some garnishes. So I'm gonna add some granola to the top of this, maybe some lychees and also some mango. Look how lush this coconut rice pudding looks. Now, you can serve it cold or warm. I'm gonna serve it warm. So a generous helping of this into a bowl. Oh, it smells so good. And just that tiny little bit of cinnamon makes all the difference. Okay, spread that out. And this is where you could be quite adventurous with the toppings. I'm going to give it a bit of a tropical feel with a wedge of mango, some lychee. I love lychees. I've just defrosted these ones. They work just as well. And I'll just cut them in half and just pop that on the side there. And then for a bit of crunch, why not use some muesli? Now I'm using a gluten-free muesli here because this rice pudding is 100% gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy it. That is like a hug in a bowl.